Good afternoon, folks. This one is a quick video on, well, actually it's actually a question here. Can I connect my Jackery 2000, bear with me, this little beaut, I'll bring him up in a bit, let's have a look. So can I connect this, which has got two leads on the back? So I've got this running at the moment, and this is powering my internal batteries, because they're running low because we've got no sun. So 82%, yeah, it's drawing 62 watts. It'll run for another 21 hours. That's not the point. The point is with it, can I charge my Jackery from a standard solar panel? That's the question. Because the simple thing is, for what you pay for the Jackery, which is not it's fantastic price, it's great, it does what it does, it's a massive lithium battery and exactly what you want in my camper. The thing is now, I can't afford at the moment, and no joke, is the solar panels that come with it, because they're a couple £100 a piece. So can I run a standard solar panel? Because I have a solar panel on my roof of my van, and as you can see, my little control box there. This is all a self-build. I love it. I think it's brilliant. So I'm not quite finished, as you've probably seen before in other videos. I have just fitted a double socket on the side there, because in here, just so I'd show you, let me have a quick look. I'll let you have a quick look. So in my top cupboard I made space, and I have an air fryer and my coffee making stuff and everything like that. But I've got an air fryer, which then I conveniently can plug in to my Jackery in the front. So I'll put the Jackery under the bench underneath there, which will be going soon, because I'm going to make a space for it. And then I've wired a plug up which comes around the back of here and then goes into this socket, and this then powers the air fryer, which I thought would look a lot nicer there than it would plugged into the Jackery. So now the video I'm producing at the moment is, can I run a standard solar panel? And I believe you can. I think I found the wire that does it. So let me go through with it. So I've got an extension lead here. This will be a shorter one. I don't really need this long one. And on the end of it, you've got your standard fittings to fit into your original solar panel, which you can't go wrong. As you can see, positive to positive, negative to negative. So if you look at it, it's going to go one way round. And then on the other end, we have a standard. What we got there? You have this type of fitting. I'm not too sure what it's called actually. I use Anderson connectors. I find them easy, and I got the tools to make them as well. God blimey, this is focused not very good anyway. So there we go. So the lead I was looking for on Amazon or eBay, whatever, was this particular lead. Now I wanted it with an 8mm outer with a male pin in the middle. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if I can get this in. Let me have a look under the light. Hold on. So there was a tiny little pin in the middle. Well, I say tiny, it's, I don't know what size that is. Look at it, not very big. So Jackery sends you two adapters, and there they are. Look, it's not even less than a mil, I think, isn't it? So, but the idea is that they fit perfectly, boop boop, like that, and then that gives you the exact fitting that plugs into the back of the Jackery. Now, coincidentally, a while ago, all these, I'll put these links in the description, not for these, but for this lead, I'll put in the link in the description down below. So, curiously, just a while ago, a company approached me, let me back off a little bit, with this, which is a portable solar charger. Okay. And I was so surprised how tiny it is. That's how big it is, the palm of my hand. Okay, the specs on it are good. I have tested it. I did a video for them. Where can I see? I've got the specs for you. Solar panel. Got a little manual with it as well. It does tell you all. There's the specs. There we go. It does gel, AGM batteries, Life Pro with MR, gives you all the error codes. It's 20 amps, I believe. Anyway, but believe it or not, the lead that I bought from Amazon this one, not that, this one. And this comes in the packet with your Jackery. On the other end, coincidentally, comes the same connector. They must be called something, I'm not too sure what these are called. So on one end, if you look at it, if you can see that closely, you've got solar coming in to the battery. So on mine, I fitted on my extension leads, so this will come from the solar panel. I fitted one of these connectors. They're good connectors. They are called something. I can't think what they're called. Someone will tell me in the description down below. And then on the other end, which came with it, these were the ones that came with it, I would connect that. So you imagine now we've got these two connected to a portable solar panel, which is this one here. And then the other end, which I can't show you really working today because we've got no sunshine, as in the UK. With anything else, it's boring and dead and absolutely awfully wet. So this then plugs directly into the back of the Jackery. All right, this is exactly the right fitting because it comes with the Jackery. All right, so I'll put a link for this device, which is absolutely fantastic. Look at the size of that. And I did test it on a reasonable sunny day, and it worked perfectly, and it charged. So it's got to charge the Jackery because the Jackery is a battery. So that's the general idea. Now I'm just going to show you before I go that if anybody knows this bit, I would have thought it would be right. So if anybody knows what these are called, I know it's a DC connector, them. So what's in there? They look like the same sort of like 8mm, maybe 5mm. Probably female, I would have thought. And I would have thought that these then would actually power the Jackery as well. I could charge the Jackery from that because this is my solar control unit. So I could use both, not at the same time probably. I probably could. I could put one lead in one and one lead in the other. But this is the general idea because I want to use this solar panel on my boat to charge the battery, so I'll be using that there. But as a convenience, if you've got your Jackery out somewhere and it's away from your van, as a portable device, you could use a standard solar panel, or you can get foldy ones as well and use them with this conjunction. So I will put the link for the cable, the link for the charge control unit down below. Cables you can get from eBay as well, whatever, and this is from eBay as well. They reckon it's 100 watters. I don't think so. It's probably more like 30 if you're lucky. It's a bit of a con really when you do get these solar panels. One on the roof is a proper 100 one. Maybe not directly, but it's a proper one I fitted up there. All right, if you enjoyed the video, just a quick one, give it a thumbs up and a like, that would be great. Any comments please down below. If you've got any better ideas how to connect them, you let me know because I'm just playing at this. I've done them in the van, they work fine. My batteries charge up when the sun's out. It's just on the winter nights and you do get the odd occasional sun, you could use a portable solar panel. That's it, take care, and we'll see you definitely in the next one.